Now that we have all of our prisms created and we want to create our envelope, let's start doing that. So we're going to go to select and select prisms. We'll double click on our prism, and remember how we had tags and we called them all demo in the first one? Well, for this one I have all of the tags called CU for copper, and I'm going to link all tag copper. It comes up, warning, link all prisms with the tag copper, yes. So in Genesis, the first one will have a blue color for the prism, the middle sections have green, and the last one is red. And that way you know that your prisms are linked in an order that makes sense. If this was not in this appearance, then you may have a problem. Okay, so now we're going to double click on our prisms again. And this time we're going to go add caps. To make sure that we create a proper envelope, we're going to put caps on both ends of this linked prism set. So we'll click on that and we'll find the first one, front red cap. So it says 12.5 meters, reduction 5 meters. So we're going to go to the red cap here, where my mouse is, and we're going to add 12.5 meter cap on the end. Okay, that sounds good because this one's a 25-meter corridor. The blue back cap has a 25-meter instead of 12.5, and that's because this is a 50-meter corridor here. It also makes sense. To make sure that we don't get any errors, we're going to put in 0.1 and 0.1 for both of these reductions. And we're going to click OK. And you can see now that the new front and back cap has been created. If we went and pressed our prism menu, you can see here 275 cap and 50 cap were both created. And now we're ready to make the envelope. So still have prism selected. We're going to double click here. And we are going to click Mesh Current Link. Remeshing these prisms will delete the current tie lines. Are you sure? Yes, we shouldn't have any current tie lines, and so we're going to click yes, and it's going to create a new envelope. Our envelope list pops up. We're going to rename it, and we're going to call this one Copper Envelope, and we're going to say visible, yes, faces, sounds good. Color, let's choose something like red. Shading, we'll keep it as Garage for now, and we're going to click OK. And there it is. It's visible on our screen. We can take a spin mode on that, and you can see it's between our prism, and now we've created our first envelope. All right, we can select envelopes, and we can double click on our envelope, and we can check the volume. Yes, there's a volume, that's good. If your envelope reports an error here and does not have a proper volume, then you might have an issue with your tie lines or something else, and it will have to be rechecked and redone.